I'm number 3.
Levi?
Levi. My parents come from Haiti. Levi. Read Revelations 2 again.
Revelations 2 and 26. And he that overcometh and keepeth my works unto the end, to him will I give power over the nations.
To him will I give power over the nations, all right? Whether you're Chinese, flip it around, all right? If you come from these other people, there's you right here. So-called Egyptians, you fall under Ham.
What's Ham?
Ham, that's one of the sons of Noah, okay? That's where your people come out of Ham. My people come out of Shem, all right? Puerto Ricans, they come out of Shem. All right, Argentinians, they come out of Shem.
Shem? Who's Shem?
Shem. Noah had 3 sons, Ham, Shem, and Japheth. All right, your people come out of Ham. Ham is not the chosen line. Okay, read it.
And he shall rule them with a rod of iron.
We shall rule over you other people with a rod of iron. Go ahead.
As the vessel of a potter shall they be broken to shivers, even as I receive of my Father.
Yep. Yeah, man, so Jesus don't love everybody. Sorry to break the news to you.
Psalms 2 and 8. Ask of me, and I shall give thee the heathen for his inheritance.
Ask of me, and I shall give thee the heathen for thine inheritance. All right, your people are our inheritance, meaning we own you. You see what I'm saying? America is going to be destroyed by nuclear destruction. All right, let me see the missile sign. All right, America is going to be destroyed. Russia's going to send missiles here. China is going to send missiles here. Russia's going to send missiles on the land of Israel. Okay, go ahead.
This is Exodus 11 and 7. But against any of the children of Israel shall not a dog move his tongue against man, beast, that ye may know that the Lord doth put a difference between the Egyptians and Israel.
See, the Lord differentiates between the Israelites and the Egyptians. Okay? Yeah, man. You got it.
Obadiah 1 and 15. But the day of the Lord is near upon all the heathen.
Yeah, the day of the Lord is near upon all the heathen. The day of the Lord is destruction. Who are the heathen? The heathen is anybody that doesn't flip it around. You know, like I said before, if you don't find yourself on that side, you're the heathen. All right? And I'm going to tell you this, man, because I see our people in the crowd too. A lot of our own people, a majority of them are going to die also here in America. Going to be destroyed. You're going to get caught up, let me see that, in what's called the New World Order, the martial law. Yeah, give me the martial law.
Illuminati thing?
Huh?
You talking about the Illuminati?
Of course. They run everything. Right there, martial law, all right? You see what happened in Boston, right? During the Boston Marathon? Overnight, Boston turned into what? Into a martial law overnight. You couldn't come out of your house. You had troops up and down the street. You had tanks going up and down the street. Armed guards. All right? Go ahead.
This is Ecclesiasticus 35 and 18. For the Lord will not be slack, neither will the mighty be patient towards them, till he have smitten in sunder the loins of the unmerciful, and repay vengeance to the heathens, till he have taken away the multitude of the proud, and broken the scepter of the unrighteous.
Yeah, but I'm going to say this, man. Like I said, a lot of our people are going to die. You're out here worshiping this Christmas BS, New Year's Eve, Easter. If you worship them holidays, man, basically you worshiping Satan. Because all them holidays go back to paganism, to Satan worshiping. You see what I'm saying? December 25th goes back to the birth of Nimrod. All right?
I might buy an outfit for that.
Go ahead.
Zechariah 13 and 8. And it shall come to pass that in all the land, saith the Lord, 2 parts therein shall be cut off and die.
Right, 2 parts is referring to our people. 2 parts of our people are going to die. Go ahead.
But the third shall be left therein.
So a small number of our people are going to be delivered when the Lord comes back. You don't know about the second coming of Christ. All right, I'm going to tell you one other thing. When Christ comes back, it's not going to be no white boy with long hair, looking like he was just rocking out to a guitar. He's not going to look like that. Okay, the Lord was a black man, who you call Jesus Christ. The Most High in the heavens, they're black. The angels, the apostles, they're all dark skinned. Okay? You had son?
Verse 9.
Go ahead.
And I will bring the third part through the fire, and will refine them as silver is refined, and will try them as gold is tried. They shall call on my name, and I will hear them. I will say, it is my people, and they shall say, the Lord is my power.
He gonna be alright. He got 5 with a life, okay? He got 5 with a life.
He got
Jesus
what?
got 5 with a life.
5 with a life?
Yeah,
What that
our
mean?
family's trying to take it down. We taking it down. We taking it down.
Alright, you got it, B.
Hosea.
Crack. That's actually lyric, man.
For him right here. Hosea 4:6. My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge.
My people are destroyed for lack of knowledge. Alright? Yeah, perfect example right there.
Because thou hast rejected knowledge, I will also reject thee, that thou shalt be no priest to me, seeing thou hast forgotten the law of thy power. I will also forget thy children.
Yeah, the knowledge of the Lord is found right here, where? Right here in this Bible. Most of our people are into this, Christianity, Roman Catholicism, the Muslim and Islam philosophy, Seventh-day Adventist, Jehovah wickedness. You know what I'm saying? All that is going to lead to death. All right? Go ahead, Al. Yeah, if you live, we call it fairy clown. If you listen to fairy clown, that's death. Fairy clown ain't teaching nothing to get our people out of condition we're in right now. Fairy clown is bought out by you mentioned the Illuminati. He's bought out by the Illuminati. So was what's his devil's name? Martin Luther King. He was bought out by the Illuminati. He was a CIA agent. He was also a butt boy. All right. He liked to have. Was that dude he used to have sex with? Yeah, Martin Luther King.
Dude.
Or Ralph Abernathy. They got tapes. The CIA got tapes of the. tapes. I'm laughing because this shit is hilarious. They got tapes of Martin Luther King in a hotel room with this guy, all right? And they said that it was sounds and moanings. And I'm talking about moanings of pleasure. And he was in a hotel room with another dude. All right, look this shit up, man. All right, the statement about this. Yeah, Farrakhan. You don't teach Israel.
The Farrakhan believe he's
Well, he's Jesus Christ.
No. Farrakhan believes he's
Isaiah or something like that. He believes he's everybody.
Farrakhan believes. I got the latest tapes. I know Farrakhan personally. Everything you read about Farrakhan is not true. Farrakhan believes he made a statement. He believes he's an Israelite. He believes he's an Israelite.
Yeah.
Get his latest tapes.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? He really truly believes.
Well, he needs to come out there and speak that.
No, he speaks that. You got to do research. You know what I'm saying? Whatever these Jews or whatever put out there on Farrakhan, it's not true at all. It's not true. He made the statement coming from his mouth.
Right.
He believed he was an original Jew.
Okay.
He made that statement. A lot of people say that. A lot of people believe. That's what the white man put out on Farrakhan. That's why you got to do a lot of research. They want us to go against what white man.
What do you believe in?
We'll say it. No, I didn't hear it say it.
He's a Muslim, but he believes
Farrakhan, he's a guy that
if he's a Muslim, you don't believe he's an Israelite. Look,
he believes he's original.
Farrakhan was set up to confuse our people. All right. Say what you said. Say what you said.
First of all, Farrakhan is a Freemason too, for one. And plus, he butchered the scriptures in Genesis the 25th chapter, all right, where it tells you that in the scriptures that the black, the so-called Negroes and Latinos are Jacob and the white man is Esau. But Farrakhan flipped it and said that Esau, we got to be Esau, and that the Jews today are Jacob. He totally butchered the scriptures. He don't know the Bible.
Was this coming from him or somebody
I
else?
seen him say it out of his own fucking mouth.
Don't he have his own script though? Don't he got his own script? That what he read from, right?
Well, he uses the Bible all the time though. Because the Bible is the book. You got all these niggas out there that Islam and Muslim and Egyptologists, but they always reading scriptures out the Bible. If the Bible ain't the truth, then why you always going to the Bible to read the scriptures? You know what I'm saying? That's the shit I don't get.
Why he always go to the Bible?
Yeah. Well, you can't take the Bible and take other books. You can't do that.
They gotta go to the Bible. Scientology.
Maybe it's a mixed message, man, but you got
he's set up, bro. He's set up. He's down with the Illuminati. Right? If he was really teaching the truth, the Illuminati would have assassinated his ass a long time ago because he's a major.
He speaks against the Illuminati. He speaks against the Bilderberg. You know who the Bilderberg is? He speaks against the Skull.
He was down
He reveals those.
You got white
You gotta
people.
get the. You gotta
Listen, man. You got Alex Jones. Alex Jones speaks against the Illuminati.
He speaks against.
But he's down with the Illuminati.
He reveals these things. It don't matter they are, what they about.
It don't matter if he reveals them. He's a whistleblower. It don't matter, bro. The Illuminati sets up people as pacifists.
I understand.
All right?
I understand.
Yeah. So he's one of them. If he don't play ball, they're gonna do him like they did Martin.
That's what they're trying to do. He said 87 years, they didn't get him now. How they trying to get him now? They're trying to get him on treason. They're trying to get him on a whole lot of things dealing with that. I understand all that, man. But I have all the up to date. I'm not, I can't. It bothers me when I see so many brothers, man, especially brothers like you guys, and I believe a whole lot about what you guys say, right? But I'm just saying, it bothers me when I see so many people go against Farrakhan the way they do. He's the only one that really stands up for us. If you look at his tapes, let's see, look at his tapes. I'm talking 2014 tapes, man, before he got sick.
Yeah, well, you know what?
I'm talking about all that old stuff.
The minute he really starts teaching the truth,
I ain't talking about all that old stuff, man.
the minute if he ever does, he's not, because he's an agent provocateur.
Everything the Hasidic Jews put out there.
If he ever did start teaching the pure truth, that's the day they're gonna assassinate him. All right.
The point is, I try to make. What was Farrakhan's name before? He changed his name. Louis what?
Louis Farrakhan. Louis Little. No, that's Malcolm X. Louis, I forget his
Louis
last
X.
name. Yeah, Louis X. Right, Louis
That's
X.
what he was calling himself.
Right, Louis X.
The point I was trying to make is all these different philosophies and religion and stuff. Why do they always have to try to downplay the scriptures?
Downplay the scriptures in the Bible.
If their foundation, let me finish. If their foundation was really true,
I heard that.
like if you confident in yourself, you don't need to break down something else.
That's true.
To deflect what's going on with yourself, to make yourself look better, and point. You're supposed to be able to stand on your own.
They just simply don't believe. They just
the scriptures stand by itself.
Know what I'm saying?
Can Isaiah 34:16, man?
I'm not. First of all, I'm not Muslim. First of all, like I said, I believe a whole lot of things that he said. But the reason why he says certain things about the Bible because we don't just simply don't believe.
The reason
the Bible, that's just about.
The reason you believe, the reason you believe, and a lot of Jakes believe in him, is because he takes a lot of things from the Bible. All right. If you take, the Bible is true. He takes a lot of things from the Bible, and because it relates to our people. So he's like, yeah, okay. So he draws a lot of people in with that, but then he doesn't teach the whole truth. And I remember this dude back years ago. He used to say that he was a prophet. He used to say he was a prophet Elijah, and all these prophets from the Bible. And one time he said he was Christ. All right. So this dude he's set up by Illuminati, man.
As far as the character is concerned, there's so much diversity in the character.
This dude teaches lies.
Even in
Jeremiah.
Muslims, man, you know there's not diversity.
Yeah, I call for Isaiah.
Isaiah 34:16. Seek ye out of the book of the Lord and read.
Seek ye out of the book of the Lord and read. That's the Bible. It's the only book you should be sticking to. Go ahead.
None one of these shall fail.
None one of these shall fail. What is it that's not going to fail the prophecy? Not one prophecy in this Bible has failed or will fail ever. Go ahead.
None shall want her mate.
None shall want her mate, meaning you can't make this up or pair it up with any Egyptian book of the Dead Sea Scrolls, the Quran. They don't pair up with the Bible. So if you teach the Bible and the Quran in the same sentence, then that's two conflicting pieces of information. The Bible speaks against the Quran.
I don't think according to Farrakhan, according to Nation, I don't think the Holy Quran is compared. What it do, it makes corrections of the Bible that's been tampered with. I'm not talking about your Bible.
There's no Bible.
I'm not talking about your Bible.
Yeah, but how come
the Bible has been tampered with?
Then how come in the Quran it says
confuse us? You know that.
Or in the Quran it says that the revelation of the scripture was given to the Israelites. You know what I'm saying? All right then, so the Quran is BS.
In the Bible that is true. Do you have the original book?
It's right here.
That's what it said. Okay.
Right here.
So I really truly believe Farrakhan is not the Nation of Islam. So it's not talking about the original book. He even come to the point, like I said, the Holy Quran has been tampered with now to try to confuse us. They're telling you, the Holy Quran.
Of course it's been tampered with.
Coming from his mouth.
Because the Quran plagiarized the Bible.
Maybe he's being revealed to a whole lot of stuff that he didn't know before.
Man, this nigga's a high everything. He's a high mason, bro. He's a high mason.
From my mouth it have commanded, and in spirit have gathered them.
So there you go, man.
And he might be a mason on the black side. Yeah, you have a mason on the black side, you have a mason on the white side.
He's a high mason.
You have a white side.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
Does the Quran or Farrakhan talk about what's going to happen here in America?
Yes, he do.
Does he talk about martial law? Does he talk about nuclear
Yes, he do.
destruction?
Off the date stuff. I talk about all the stuff. I can't emphasize that. I gotta emphasize that. He's talking about all the stuff that you heard.
Yeah, he does now. You know why? Because
he's right.
He's buying off of us, man. He's trying. He got to stay relevant.
He's been knowledge, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, by watching our videos, man. Trust me. And he watches what we saying are mainly our elders.
And he goes like this: "I am an original Jew, and I'm going to let you know why I'm original."